Preventing windshield washer fluid from freezing.
Hello everyone. Winter is coming, and one of the most common car issues people face during this season is frozen windshield washer fluid. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to prevent your windshield washer fluid from freezing in cold weather.
Why does windshield washer fluid freeze?
To solve a problem, it's essential to understand it. Windshield washer fluid typically contains water, which will freeze at 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, under normal conditions. When temperatures drop, the water content in the fluid can cause it to turn into ice, rendering it useless and potentially causing damage to your vehicle's washer system.
How to choose the right fluid?
The easiest way to prevent freezing is by selecting the right fluid for the season. 1. Winter formulations. Look for washer fluids specifically labeled for winter use. These usually contain methanol or ethanol, which lowers the freezing point of the fluid. 2. Check the label. Always read the label to ensure the fluid you're buying is suitable for the temperatures you're expecting.
Can I add antifreeze to my current fluid?
It might be tempting, but do not add automotive antifreeze to your windshield washer fluid. Not only is it harmful to your vehicle's paint, but it's also toxic and dangerous. However, you can buy washer fluid antifreeze additives that are designed for this purpose. When added to washer fluid, these products can lower its freezing point.
Any DIY solutions?
If you're in a pinch, you can create a homemade mixture. 1. Combine 2 parts isopropyl alcohol to 1 part water. 2. Add a few drops of dish soap to help remove grease and grime from your windshield. Caution: always test a small patch of your windshield first to ensure the mixture doesn't cause any damage or streaks. Winterizing your vehicle is more than just snow tires and antifreeze. By taking a few extra steps to ensure your windshield washer fluid is up to the task, you'll have clear visibility all season long. Stay safe, and we hope this video has been helpful in preparing your car for the cold months ahead.